Umnumzane Fikile Mbalula uthi ubeka iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe endaweni yalo njengoba uzokhumbula nje kuseni udaba engubikele ngalo lapho khona ke umnumzane Nhlamulo Ndlela weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe ekhala ngokuthi iqembu leANC alikwazanga ukubamba kahle okanye ukuhenglisha kahle udaba lukaMnumzane Jacob Zuma uthi bavisane nje babhazamula incwadi endabeni ngaphandle kokuthi ke babikele umkhonto wesizwe ngalolu daba ngaphambi kokuthi babikele umnumzane Jacob Zuma lolu daba uthi ke uFikile Mbalula kuleyo mpendulo ke phela bebengaxoshi umkhonto wesizwe kodwa bebexosha umnumzane Jacob Zuma akusikhona okwakho okwawo umkhonto wesizwe ukuba ke ubalise nokuthi ke uzihluphe ngalesi sinqumo nokuthi ke le ndaba ibanjwe kanjani ngoba phela udaba beliqondene nomnumzane Jacob Zuma belingaqondene nabo umkhonto wesizwe ubabuza ukuthi bangobani bona bazini ngepolitiki njengoba ke bafike izolo lo khona manjalo ubeke sebatshela ukuthi ke kahle kahle bayiliqembu nje elingazilutho ngepolitiki elingena structure ebabuza ukuthi waye kuphi uJohn Hlophe ngesikhathi ke so door to door ubabuza ukuthi ke uphi uJabulani Khumalo lona wasungula leli qembu wadala lenkinga yomkhonto wesizwe ebashiya nje nalawo mazwi ngicela ukuthi ke uyizwele ngawakho ukuthi ke uyichaze kanjani ke lenkulumo mangabe usuqedile ungenze isiqiniseko sokuthi uyasubscribe uyalike uphinde ushare le video share le nomunye ngiyabonga.
Kangaroo Court is that MK where everybody is expelled without a due process. Who are they to lecture people about a due process? At the MK party, we read in the press that you are dismissed. You don't know when was the DC. They've not even gone to a conference to have a structured party. You don't know who you speak with there. Because if you speak to this one, tomorrow he might have left and dismissed. Now, we are told by political non-entities about how to run a party. I mean, when in a few months, they've not shown any of the good deeds of a good party in terms of governing a party. In the ANC, you've got a DC. Whether it's virtual or what, you are allowed to be represented. You are not just dismissed. And these people, they don't go to court to fight for dismissal. You are appointed secretary, you don't know who appointed you. And others, depending on your proximity next to Zuma, you can be something big without even campaigning in an election. Where was Hlophe? On door to door, campaigning for MK. Where is Jabulani? The man who started this thing gave us trouble, went to the IEC, registered. I was with him in Bloemfontein. I was with him in Durban, fighting for the trademark. Where is he? He's in the streets, nowhere to be found, not even in parliament. He tried to go to parliament, they dealt with him without a disciplinary process. Now, we are lectured by these people. Please, MK likening the DC to Kangaroo Court and a leaked document. First, let's clarify the fact that the ANC did not charge a party called MK, charged Jacob Zuma. And that's what we are about in terms of the verdict. So if we had charged the MK party as a party, it would be something different. We charged our member, Jacob Zuma, whose membership was going to expire and up for renewal by December this year. So dealing with the Jacob Zuma matter has not been an easy one in terms of how normally you deal with people who behave like him as members of the ANC, who choose to leave the party and then form a political party and work against the party openly and decampaign the party. That's what Jacob Zuma has done.